Hey students, today our discussion is on subtraction by ones and twos complement by the addition. As I mentioned the previous class, the addition is quite simpler than the subtraction. So subtraction can be carried out by using the addition. That's why we are having two types of subtraction by ones complement as well as twos complement addition. Okay, so here few steps are there. If we want to subtract two numbers, then what we have to do is first write the ones complement of the subtrahend. Okay, then add with the minuend. When we are adding, if there is any carry, that carry is known as n carry. If there is a carry, then we have to add that carry with the result, with the sum, and what you have obtained, that will be the difference of the two numbers. See the example here. We want to subtract 1000101 from 110101. Okay, so our subtrahend is 100101. First we have to find the ones complement of that subtrahend, that is 011010. Then you have to add. While adding, we will be getting a carry 1. You have to add that carry to the sum. So we will be getting 10000. That is the difference of these two numbers. Then another example where we want to again subtract 111001 from 101011. You can see actually we are reducing a large number from a small number. So here in this case, when we are finding the ones complement and doing the addition, you will getting a sum where there is no carry. So in this case, what you have to do is, if there is no carry, then you have to find the ones complement of that sum. Okay, here the ones complement is 001110, and the result you have to put a, into the result you have to put a negative sign, that is the answer is minus 1110. Minus 1110 is the answer. You can get like this, that is, if there is no carry, then you have to put a minus sign and find the ones complement of the sum, and you will be getting the result, that will be the difference between two numbers. Next one is subtraction by twos complement. Here we know what is twos complement, ones complement plus 1. So here also you have to find the twos complement of subtrahend, add with this. Okay, in the case of twos complement, if there is a carry, okay, the carry should be discarded or dropped, and you will be getting the answer. That is, you have to add the minuend with twos complement of subtrahend, and if there is a carry, that carry is to be discarded or dropped, and the answer is the difference of the two numbers. Okay, then another example, here there is no carry. If there is no carry, what you have to do? Okay, you have to find the twos complement of the number, twos complement of the number, and you have to put a minus sign. That is just the reverse of the ones complement addition you have to do in the second complement addition. Ones complement addition, if there is n carry, we used to add to the sum, but in the case of twos complement, if there is a carry, we have to drop it. Okay, that is how we can get the result, and these are the few examples that you have to do for the coming classes. And already we have done the advantage of twos complement over ones complement in the previous class. The other numbers you have to do the three exercises. What will be the result of this? Okay, that's all for the day today.